golden and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. These sweet potato fritters are served with a light and creamy whipped ricotta.
Before we start, line a bowl with a clean kitchen towel and set it aside.
Now peel the sweet potatoes and grate them into a large bowl. Once grated, transfer the sweet potatoes to the prepared bowl lined with a kitchen towel.
Squeeze the grated sweet potatoes firmly to remove as much excess moisture as possible. Add the flour, corn flour, salt, black pepper, eggs, and ground paprika to the grated sweet potatoes. Mix well until all the ingredients are evenly combined.
Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat.
Spoon portions of the sweet potato mixture and gently flatten them into fritters. Fry the fritters for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy.
Once cooked, transfer them to a tray lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil.
Now for the whipped ricotta. Add the ricotta, honey, and heavy whipping cream to a bowl. Using a whisk or hand mixer, whip the mixture until it becomes smooth, light, and fluffy. Transfer the whipped ricotta into a piping bag and set aside.
Crush the pistachios and set them aside. It's time for plating. Place one sweet potato fritter on the plate and pipe a layer of whipped ricotta on top.
Add a second fritter, followed by another layer of whipped ricotta.
Then finish with a third fritter to create a 3-layer stack. Top with whipped ricotta.
Sprinkle over the crushed pistachios and finish with a generous drizzle of honey for a beautiful finish. Serve immediately and enjoy the perfect balance of crispy, creamy, sweet, and nutty flavors.